I'm speechless as to why someone would think that was a great idea. It's just, yeah, twat. Good morning. Beautiful day down at Boscombe. Just playing with the waves at the moment. It's about an hour before high tide. I'm not worrying about the colour in the sky. I'm here to take some pictures of wave trails. So I'm down at my favourite location next to Boscombe Pier, and gonna have some fun. As you can see, the waves aren't anywhere close to being where they need to be for this at the moment, but it's going to be a really high tide, about a 2.4 metre high tide, so it's definitely going to clear this. As you can see, it looks like some local vandals have decided to wreck the end of this. Thank you guys. Kicking down one of the struts and pushing it over to the side. Obviously, people have done this rather than waves because the waves aren't going from that side to this side. So, yeah, great. What a bunch of idiots. It's a bit of a waiting game at the moment. It's just reaching the top of the concrete structure there. Probably a few more minutes and it'll be up at the end of the scaffolding. Nothing going on in the sky, but at least there's some detail in the clouds, which actually suits this scene pretty well, to be fair. Much rather this than blue sky, which was the original forecast for this week. Blue sky all week. Great for tourists, rubbish for photography. So I'm set up. Absolutely in line with the main or the original structure. Oh, I can't believe people have done that. So just jiggled it around a bit just to make sure that it's absolutely dead in line. If you're going to try and get symmetry, then, you know, get it. These things can't be corrected afterwards. Perhaps you can write in the comments below as to why you think people do this kind of thing to photographic structures or structures in general. I'm speechless as to why someone would think that was a great idea. It's just, yeah, twats. That's probably going to get bleeped out, but this, you know, this location is quite heavily photographed. I've photographed it loads of times, but it really troubles me that someone thinks, great idea, let's destroy it, let's make it look wrong, make it look dangerous. The council are obviously going to come and try and repair this or tape it off, or yeah, right below. Have a good rant. Crazy. Get in there. It's a waiting game. I think once the waves come up the top here, it's probably going to be a 2 or 3 second exposure. I need the waves to kind of get up to here, and then that'll get rid of all the footprints in the sand that while I'm standing here, lined up with this shot. People have just been walking past directly in front of me. Thank you. But the waves will get rid of the footprints, and you know, the 2 or 3 second exposure will capture the wave going back to the sea, and we should get some nice wave trails. This was going to be a video about wave trails, how to do them, looking at the exposure triangle, histograms, but instead I've given up this morning because I can't think creatively when I'm angry. I have absolutely no idea why these kind of people think that it's a great idea to destroy things. The same sort of people that set fire to the beach huts at Muddyford, same sort of people that in the caves and the coves down at Durdle Door. And we've got a summer of this coming up. Because people aren't allowed to travel abroad, they come to the coast. Bournemouth is easy to get to, so they come here. So we got a whole summer of this to look forward to. Fantastic. So if you know why people do these kind of things, I've got no idea. If you know why, please write below. This will be a ranty video. Oh my god. Anyway, thank you for watching. Next time I'll be in a better mood.